Hi crochet friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stefania and today is lesson 1 of my Crochet 101 series. In this series, I'll be breaking down the basics of crochet so you can go from an absolute beginner to a confident crocheter. In this lesson, I'll be showing you how to do a magic circle or a magic ring. Without further ado, let's get right to it. So to begin our magic circle, we'll take our yarn and wrap it around 2 of our fingers. Then insert your hook underneath this yarn. Take the working end and wrap it behind the hook. We'll then use our hook to bring that loop to the outside of the ring. Yarn over and pull that loop through. And our magic circle or magic ring is complete. You can then crochet either adding a chain from here, or like most patterns, you can put single crochet stitches directly into the magic ring. I'll demonstrate that now, but won't go into the details of how to do the single crochet stitch. If you're not sure how to do a single crochet stitch yet, make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can see when the Crochet 101 video comes out. Once you've placed your single crochet stitches into your magic ring, all you have to do is pull the loose end tight to close the circle. You can then crochet into the stitches and continue on with your pattern. Thanks so much for watching till the end of the video. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a thumbs up and are subscribed to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. I release a new video every week, including check-in videos, crochet tutorials, and other craft content. I have other videos in this series planned, but if you have any questions about crochet, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!